In this video, I'll be going over the compartments and tool locations on the squad company. The squad's a little tricky. It's a lot different than the other companies. So if you're going to be running squad, you should know where all these are. Like the engine, you have a supply line and a quick attack line on the front bumper. You also have the water can on the front bumper instead of the rear bumper like on the engine companies. In this compartment is where you'll find your hose pack and your nozzle for standpipe operations. Just like the engine, the nozzle's in that same location. In this middle compartment is where you'll find the chainsaw and the K12. And this compartment is where you will find nothing of use because it is simply aesthetic. On the rear bumper you have the fire extinguisher or the foam extinguisher as well as your hose bed. Use the roll up option to open the rear compartment roll down, and in there you have the vent fan and SCBA bottle. In this rear right compartment is where you'll find the hydrant tool to open up the hydrants. And this middle rear right compartment is the EMS compartment, which is where you can heal and pick up an EMS bag. In the right front compartment is where you will find the most items, which is the Halligan, the axe, and the spreaders. Behind the cab on the pumps is where you'll find the hook and the pike. And that is, oh, we also have a portable on the squad. A lot of people do not know this, and I almost forgot. If you right click this little compartment here, it'll open the compartment and you can grab a portable by pressing T, sort of in this corner by the compartment. It's tricky, but they have this portable in real life, and we just wanted to make sure that we added that option. So if press T again, there we go, it's back in there. We'll return the hose. That concludes the squad equipment. Thanks, the more you know.